Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're gonna make some chili. So let's get started. I've got my Dutch oven over here and we're gonna go ahead and get our meat into there. I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Still a little bit frozen. I have it in the microwave defrosting, but it's still a little frozen. And we'll work on that as we can. And we're gonna get our spice mix for our chili going. I always have a lot of spices, so I don't really buy those seasoning packets for taco and chili because I can just make up my own. Okay, so we're gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm also gonna be putting real onion and garlic in my chili. I like to use the powder and also the real onion and garlic. That was garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of cumin. One teaspoon of oregano. And I want the oregano to be broken up a little bit. So I'm going to put it in my hands and then just kind of rub it so that it'll be a little smaller in the chili. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the thyme. I'm gonna rub it so maybe it'll be a little bit smaller. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. And we're gonna get 4 tablespoons of chili powder, and we might need to add more chili powder. We'll just see how it goes. My tablespoon won't fit in my jar. Okay, so right now I've got 4 tablespoons and we might add some more. We'll see how it looks. Okay, and I've got a quart jar of my home canned pinto beans. So we're going to get that opened up and rinsed and drained. I've got a colander in the sink. This is my last quart of pinto beans. I'm going to have to get some more canned up. we go, that looks good. Okay, and while that's doing that, we're gonna get our onions chopped. our garlic ready. This is about a half of an onion. Okay, and here's my homegrown garlic that I pureed and froze, so I'm going to cut a little piece off. It's probably about 3 garlic cloves worth. Ooh, it's super frozen today. There we go. Chop up this hamburger. I'll bring you back when our hamburger's all browned up. Our meat is browned and I drained all the grease out. So now we're going to get our onions and garlic in here. And we'll let those get softened up a little. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of salt. My beans that I don't put salt in them. So I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of salt in here. All right, our onions have softened up a bit, so now we're going to put our spice mix into here. It smells delicious. All right, now we're going to get 1 can of diced tomatoes, a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce into our chili. And we're going to get our home canned beans that have been rinsed and drained into our pot. Okay, and we're going to add some water. Okay, so we'll add about a pint's worth, 2 cups of water. Let's see how it looks. I think I'm going to add about 1 more cup of water. Okay, I'm going to add another tablespoon of chili powder. I have some spicy peppers from my garden. Chad doesn't like things too spicy, but I'm just going to put a little bit. He doesn't mind just a little bit, so I'm going to put this in the chili to give it more flavor and a little spice. I process these in a food processor, so they're very small. So we'll just get a little bit of those in there. It looks delicious. It smells delicious too. Now we're just going to let this simmer and let all those flavors meld. And I'll bring you back. Hi friends, our delicious soup is done. And I've got some shredded cheese, sour cream, some diced up onions, and you can serve fritos with your chili. And here's our delicious chili. So let's give it a try. It's so delicious. I hope you all give this recipe a try. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.